Hey, this is a short video on my Quickjack. I had used button wheels on it, but the button wheels work. The only problem with them is they're not quite as smooth. They're also not as nice of a setup as the wheels that you can purchase from different people. This is the absolute cleanest setup I've seen yet when it comes to the wheels. I mean, let's see if I can get this in to where you can see the jack. I mean, this is just one finger, and you can see how easy the jack moves. This one, the brackets are the nicest set of brackets I've seen yet. Most of them you're going to find it's going to be a big old square. This one is very well designed. As you can see, it's angled. On the back underneath here you just have a tab. This is 8-gauge steel, so it's going to be extremely strong. Also puts a little rubber boot over the end of the stud that comes up from the wheels. He uses the studs, the threaded rods that go all the way through on the front and in the on the third point. So you have 1, 2. This is your third rotating point here, or your third tube. So you come back here, another threaded rod. He uses nylon lock nuts, so they're not going to come undone. The wheels are nice on it. He uses a good quality caster. It's a very nicely done setup. And like I say, this is the nicest one I've seen yet. These are by MWConceptsDesign. You can get them on eBay. Now these aren't cheap, but neither are any of the others. This is probably one of the most expensive ones. This one's $340. But it is worth every penny of it, because this one does keep the jack super low to the ground, and it makes it easy to move. The only thing that you have to do, let me move it here, is make sure that the wheels are not pointed in this direction here. Put the camera down. What you want are the wheels pointed in this direction, so that way when it starts to lift, it doesn't shift on you. That's the only thing when you do this style of wheel, is the wheels do have to be pointed in this direction for lifting. Otherwise, when it starts to lift, the jack can move on you. But if they're this way, it'll stay straight. But again, these are by MWConceptsDesign. They're $340. That includes your shipping. He has free shipping on it. Excellent product. I mean, it is of the highest quality. You know, all the bends in it, the way it's cut. This is the absolute nicest wheel set I've seen out of all the different ones that are on the market. So just thought I'd do a quick little review on that. You can see how low the jack sits. I mean, it's not high off the ground at all. And it is superior to the button wheel that a lot of people do. The button wheel is cheap, but it doesn't roll as smooth. You can move it easier than the jack sitting on the concrete, sliding, you know, on metal against concrete, but it's not as smooth. This here is nice and smooth. So, at any rate, anybody looking for wheels for their Quickjack, I highly recommend MWConceptsDesign. Yes, it's expensive, but quality is not cheap, and cheap is not quality. So, there's a set out there someone's making out of plastic. I'm not sure I would want plastic, because over time, sitting in a garage on heat cycles, it's going to get brittle over time. These aren't ever going to get brittle and break. So, I hope this helps anybody that might be looking for something like this. MWConceptsDesign. You can find them on eBay. You can also find them on what's the Esty. They have a site there as well. He's pretty quick at shipping them. I think he had 3 sets left at this time. So I got these within a week. And again, he provides free shipping. So it's well worth the money, and I don't think you can go wrong with them. I hope this is informative for somebody.